Yes, good morning, friends. Today I am going to discuss some important questions on the inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. Before going to solve the questions, just we will recall some important formula on the inverse trigonometric function. Okay. Now look at me. Do you know that what is the domain and range of the trigonometric function, sine, cos, tan? But what is the domain and range of the inverse trigonometric functions? It is a very important for the 1 mark. In these six, one is a very important. Any one will they ask for the 1 mark question. Okay. Now, first one is that function is a sine inverse x. The domain is an -1 to 1. Okay, now closed interval. And range is an -π/2 to π/2 closed interval. Be careful, this closed interval you can remember like this, including endpoint closed interval. Same for the cos inverse x. Same, the domain is an closed interval -1 to 1. The range is an 0 to pi. It is also closed interval. Okay. Now for the tan inverse x, the domain is a set of real numbers. The range is an open interval, does not including the end point. It is equal is not there. Be careful. It is like that. We can write -π/2 to π/2. Open interval. Next, for the cot inverse x, the domain is a set of real number. Range is an open interval 0 to pi. 0 to pi open interval does not including the endpoint. Then for the cosecant inverse is then the domain is an less than -1, greater than +1, and range is an range are very important. They will ask range only maximum 95% they will ask range only. Okay, na? The range is an closed interval -π/2 to π/2 except 0. Except 0. Be careful. Then function second inverse x, the domain is an same less than -1 or greater than +1. The range is an closed interval 0 to pi, including the endpoint except π/2. Except π/2. These are the very important for the 1 mark. In this, they will ask anyone. Next, is the formulas. These are sometimes to prove that y is equal to sine inverse x means we can take the x equal to sine y. By sine inverse we will send that way it become x equal to sine y. Now sine of sine inverse x is equal to x. Then sine inverse of sine x is also x. Sine inverse of 1/x is a cosecant inverse x. Cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. In the same way, sine inverse of minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. Be careful. First I will say which are the only minus. Sine inverse of minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. And which are those? These two are the cosecant inverse of minus x equal to minus cosecant inverse x. These three are the minus will come to back side. Okay, na sine inverse of minus x equal to minus sine inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x equal to minus tan inverse x. Cosecant inverse of minus x equal to minus cosecant inverse x. Here cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x, and cos inverse of 1/x equal to secant inverse x. Then first I will send the cos inverse, cot inverse and secant inverse. This cot inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x, and secant inverse of minus x equal to pi minus secant inverse x, and these are only. Then reciprocal. Cos inverse 1/x is equal to secant inverse x. Tan inverse 1/x is equal to cot inverse x, and These are the formulas. Next one category. Next is then be careful. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse also pi by 2. And cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse also pi by 2. These are one category. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Then cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, na? Next is then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. The plus is here means the numerator you will get a plus. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. Okay, now next 2 tan inverse x, you will get a 3 formulas in that, in terms of sine, in terms of cos, in terms of tan inverse. Then 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. In terms of tan inverse means tan inverse 2x by 1 minus the numerator, in the denominator, in the sine inverse you will get a 1 plus x square. In the numerator of tan inverse you will get a 1 minus x square. Same way 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Next, same 2 tan inverse x is equal to minus cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. We can write a minus also. Here plus is there, here minus. You can write like that also. Then 3 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Then 3 tan inverse x, we can write it as an pi plus tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Then also we can write it as a 3 tan inverse x equal to minus pi plus tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Be careful, when the minus it will come, when plus pi it will come. Be careful. When plus pi plus it will come means x is greater than 1 by root 3. When you will get a minus pi means, then you will get a minus pi means when the x is less than minus 1 by root 3. Next, tan inverse x by root a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse x by a. In the same way, tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube by a into a square minus 3x square is equal to 3 tan inverse x by a. It is a 3 tan inverse is there a formula. Same way, tan inverse they given here a is an extra is there. Next, tan inverse root 1 plus x square plus 1 root 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square minus root 1 minus x square is equal to 5 by 4 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Then tan inverse root 1 minus x by 1 plus x, we can write it as an 1 by 2 cos inverse x. I think I told you this one, tan inverse of x by root a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse x by a. This is also. Okay. These are the very important formulas to solve the next question. Next, let me move on to the first question. Is that now first one, so that sine inverse of 2x root 1 minus x square is equal to 2 cos inverse x. Be careful, 2 type is there. Same thing is, it may they give 2 sine inverse x, but they given here is equal to 2 cos inverse x. In this case, you should take a let x is equal to cos theta. If they given the 2 sine inverse x means, you should take a let x is equal to sine theta. X is equal to cos theta means what is the theta? Theta is equal to cos inverse x. Now I will take LHS. What is that? Sine inverse 2x into 1 minus x square. Just I will fill the value of an x. Sine inverse 2 cos theta root 1 minus cos square theta. You know, sine inverse 2 cos theta. Then 1 minus cos square theta, what we can write? Sine square theta. Now square root get cancelled. This is equal to sine inverse of 2 cos theta. Square root get cancelled. What is left? Sine theta. Now sine inverse of 2 sine theta into cos theta. Sine 2 theta. Okay. Sine inverse of sine 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. It implies 2 as it is. What is the theta value? Here. Cos inverse x. This is our answer. Now, 2 marks, very important question. Next. Show that 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. Now, we take 2 tan inverse 1 by 2. In terms of tan only you should write, because here tan is there. Afterwards, the tan inverse x, tan inverse y formula will help you. That's why tan inverse x, what we can write? Tan inverse 2x. 2x, 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 minus x square. Nah. This as it is. Tan inverse 1 by 7. Now this, what will happen? Tan inverse 2 get cancelled. That is a 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. Plus tan inverse 1 by 7, keep as it is. Next, tan inverse. The 4 is an LCM. 4 minus 4. This will become 4 minus 1. That is a 3 by 4. 1 by 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Then what will happen? Tan inverse that become 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. This is a tan inverse x plus tan inverse is equal to tan inverse x plus y. 4 plus 3 by 1 plus 7. 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Then 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. Now, next, tan inverse LCM is a 21. Then 21 plus, 7 for the 28. 28 plus 3 divided by 21 as it is. 21 minus 21 cross multiplication. 21 minus 4 is a 70. Then 21 get cancelled. What is left? Tan inverse 31 by 70. This is our required RHS. Okay, let me move on to the next one. Find the value of sine inverse of sine 2 pi. Now, y is equal to sine inverse of sine 2 pi is there. I can't write sine inverse of sine 2 pi is equal to 2 pi. Why? The range of an sine inverse x is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Closed interval. But 2 pi by 3 is does not including. That's why we can't possible to write 2 pi by 3 as our required answer. Okay, na? That's why just I will change it. Sine inverse of 2 sine 2 pi I can write as a pi minus 2 pi by 3. Now this is equal to sine inverse of, this was a sine 180 minus theta is a sine theta. That is, sorry, sine 180 minus 2 pi by 3. I will take a simplification. That 3 is a 3 into pi, 3 pi minus 2 pi, pi by 3. Now sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta, that is a pi by 3. This belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Hence pi by 3 is the correct value. Now, next one is the fourth one. Find the value of tan inverse 1 by 2 of sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. Now, be careful. Now I will write tan, sorry, it is not a tan inverse. It is not a tan inverse. Tan 1 by 2. It's then tan 1 by 2. Now, is then tan 1 by 2. Tan 1 by 2 I will write as it is. Then sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, what we can write? Can I write it? 2 tan inverse x. Because 2 tan inverse x is a 3 formulas in terms of sine, in terms of cos, in terms of tan. It is in terms of sine inverse. Okay, na? Then sine inverse 2 sine tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. That I wrote as a sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is a 2 tan inverse x. Same way, cos inverse 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square I can write as a 2 tan inverse y. Now I will take a y common, 2 common, that is a 2. If I take common, 2 by 2 get cancelled. What is left? Tan of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Now tan of, what is the tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, now what is the tan inverse of tan inverse is theta is equal to, that is an x plus y by 1 minus xy. This is the theta. This is the 2. These what I solved, these are the very important for the 3 marks question. Okay, in the inverse trigonometric function, you will not get a 5 marks question in the annual examination. You will get a 3 marks question. 2 is a very important. Any 2 you will get it. Okay, that's why these are the very important on the inverse trigonometric function. Okay, thank you. Let me meet on the next.